The brainstorming area, available through the main Dramatica desktop, is designed to help spur your creativity and/or get over writer's blocks. Currently, there are two features in brainstorming: Spin the Model and the Character Generator. Spin the Model randomly picks a structure for your story from the 32,768 available in Dramatica, and the Character Generator automatically creates characters, including assigning their names, genders, and dramatic functions. More brainstorming features are planned for the future. That's why all this open space for additional buttons. But at the moment, only Spin the Model and Character Generator have been implemented. Not to worry, though. Elsewhere in Dramatica are all kinds of features to help spur your creativity and get you over writer's block in regard to plot and theme as well. And in the creative writing section of this program, they're covered in detail. The task of the moment, however, is to explain how these two brainstorming features work. Now, when you open the brainstorming area for the first time, it defaults to the Spin the Model feature. Clicking on Character Generator will bring up those features instead. We'll begin with Spin the Model. Spin the Model is really easy to use. Simply by scrolling down through this window, you'll be able to see all the story points in the currently chosen structure at one time. Of course, right now they all say an unchosen item because this is a new file and we haven't pushed the Spin button yet. But this gives you an opportunity to get an overall feel for what a complete structure will be like and determine if it's the one you want for your story or not. Now, when you push the Spin button, instantly Dramatica selects one of those structures from the 32,768 available. And now you can see that some words have been associated with each one of the story points. The goal is learning. The requirement is to understand something. And up here in the main character area, the main character's personal problem is certainty. This fellow is certain about everything. He always is certain about things. And that's what's causing his problems. So you begin to get a feel for what the entire structure would be like just by scanning up and down the list. This main character is going to change. They have a male mental sex. The story comes to a conclusion because the characters run out of time in a time lock. The outcome is failure, and it's bad, so this is a real downer picture. Not only do they not achieve the goal, but everybody's miserable about it as well. Spin the model again, and you get a completely different story form with a completely different feel. Now the idea is to spin the model as many times as you need to find a story form that really speaks to you. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be sort of like what you had in mind. And when you finally find one that you like, then you hit the OK button.